Hello, I am Adam Kearley, aka Here's Jolly, world famous internet life advice guru, here to solve people's problems so they don't have to. Reddit user Waz Pinators writes, I'm too lazy to do the dishes. I recommend reusing the same dish multiple times, and if it becomes so soiled that you are concerned about the risk of bacteria or mold, throw it in the microwave for a few minutes to sterilize it. If the layers of baked-in residue accumulate to such a point of critical mass that it bursts into flames in the microwave, throw it out and buy a new dish. The dollar store sells plates, bowls, knives, spoons, you name it. It is the current year after all, and you were born into an era of abundance, and doing the dishes is for suckers. Reddit user Tipsy Czar writes, I'm out of weed. That's unfortunate. There are plenty of plants out there that can f you up just as much, if not more, than marijuana can. Some of them haven't even been discovered yet because nobody has been brave enough yet to shove them in a pipe and smoke them. Some might say heading to a wooded area or your local botanical garden with a bong to burn anything that's green in the hopes of getting high is crazy or desperate. I say crazy and desperate are just another set of words for pioneering and ingenuitive. Reddit user Samurai Jesus writes, I've destroyed all my relationships by trying to get my friends and family to help me fight the world order. If the people in your life do not support you, do not share your interests, are holding you back, are constantly judging you and saying things like it's a lifestyle choice and it's wrong, you don't need that kind of negativity in your life and shouldn't concern yourself with repairing those broken relationships. Instead, you should focus your energy on finding new friends and new family members who do share your interests and are supportive of you and want to see you succeed in your fight against the world order. Well, it looks like that's about it for this video. I do have another question that is ready to go, but it is about 2 or 3 pages worth of responses, and I am beginning to lose my voice. So I'm going to wrap this one up. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and share it with your friends and loved ones. If you would like to see more, be sure to subscribe and follow on all of the things. Turn on notifications to stay updated whenever I post new videos, and if you would like me to help you with a specific problem that pertains to you and your life, leave it in the comments below or tweet it using the hashtag dearjolly, and I will try my best to get to it eventually. If you would like to do more to support me and this series, I do have a Patreon with tiers starting at $1, which can be found at patreon.com/AdamKearley.